We know that when we have to multiply algebraic fractions, we have to do the same like multiplication of fractions. So we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. But because we don't have fraction in the second expression, we can always put over 1. It didn't change anything and we will have fraction. So this is equal. First fraction we will copy 3a over 3 minus a. And now we will put times a squared minus 9 over 1. And now we have algebraic fractions. So we multiply numerator times numerator. So we have 3a. I will put this whole expressions in parentheses because we have subtraction. So we have a squared minus 9 over 3 minus a times 1 is 3 minus a. This is equal. Next step, we see that we have here a squared, and now we can rewrite that this is 3 to second power. So let me copy the beginning, 3a, and we have a squared minus 3 squared over 3 minus a. Next, we see that we have here difference of two perfect squares. So we will use formula x squared minus y squared. This is equal x minus y times x plus y. So in this example, x is equal a and y is equal 3. So we will have 3a we have to copy, and we will have a minus 3 times a plus 3 over, and because we have in the numerator a minus 3, so I will factorize negative 1. So we will have negative 1 before parentheses, and we will have in the parentheses now negative 3 plus a. When we multiply by negative 1, we will have negative times negative, so we will be 3, the same like we have at the beginning. And negative 1 times a is negative a. So we have the same expression in the denominator. But now we can rewrite this denominator, and first we'll put positive number and next negative. So this is equal 3a minus 3 times a plus 3 over, and we have negative 1 a minus 3. Now we see that we have the same expression in parentheses in the numerator and in the denominator. So we can cancel out this a minus 3, this is 1. So now we have negative sign in the denominator. So positive over negative give me negative, so I can put before this whole fraction negative sign, and we have in the numerator 3a times a plus 3 over, now will be 1. So we don't have to put this one, so this is equal negative 3a plus 3 in the parentheses. This is my solution.